everyone! I hope you're having a wonderful day no matter your situation or location. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my banana bread. So I hope you enjoy. It's really simple, really easy, and you only need like one bowl and one spatula to make it. So I hope you enjoy. The first thing that I did is I melted about a 1/3 cup of butter in a very large mixing bowl that was microwavable. If you don't have one that could microwave, you can just stir it in a smaller bowl, but I didn't want to do as many dishes. And then I put in my bananas. Now these bananas I let sit out on my counter for a really long time, and then I actually transferred them over into my freezer, and then I let them de-thaw so they're really, really nice and soft and super, super sweet. I added about 4 of these. Then I smashed them up like so. I wanted to get it really fine, almost like it was a puree. Then for this recipe, I actually added 2 different sweeteners. That was because I'm mostly indecisive. So I added about a 1/2 cup of maple syrup, and then I added about a 1/2 cup of honey. Then I did the thing that you're never supposed to do. I cracked 2 eggs over my bowl. Luckily, this time I didn't get any eggshell in it, but sometimes I normally do. And then I just combined these and folded them in with the rest of the batter. Then I added about a teaspoon of vanilla paste. Personally, I really don't like this vanilla paste. I would really recommend using vanilla extract if you have it, but this is all I had on hand. Then I added a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then I stirred it in. Then I added about 2 cups of flour. I made sure to add my flour in about a 1/2 cup at a time so it wouldn't get too floury too quickly, and then I transferred it over into my pan. Now a trick I learned that I will never get up is that I cut my parchment paper to the size of my pan. This makes lifting the bread out so much easier. Then I just fitted it and then sprayed it down with a little bit of cooking spray before adding my banana bread batter. After I added all my batter to my loaf pan, I then just stuck my bread in the oven for about an hour at 350 degrees, but please check it until a toothpick comes out clean because ovens can vary. After about an hour, I let it cool, and I was actually about to cut it, but then I realized, oh wait, I don't have to do that. I can simply just pull it out of the paper because I put my parchment. I simply was able to remove it and then just put it on a cutting board, and it made cutting and slicing this bread so much easier. This is what the bread looked like when it was finally done. It was really, really moist actually, and I think it turned out exceptionally. As you can see, this recipe is so simple, and there's so little cleaning involved. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I do. Please feel free to share it with your friends and family, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.